Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this solar charger for the Ring Doorbell. This has a built-in battery. Alright, so right here we have the solar panel with a built-in battery. This is a solar panel that runs off your Ring Doorbell. So this is compatible with the Ring Doorbell 3, the 3 Plus, and the 4. So this is super efficient for all-day power. This has got a high efficiency monocrystalline solar panel which collects and stores sunlight during the day. So when your Ring Doorbell is not working at nighttime, because all the doorbells are basically solar panels, don't work overnight, this one does have a battery that does keep it charged. So at nighttime your doorbell will still run off the battery. This one here is a really nice, small, thin, lightweight. It is easy to install. You do have the wire right here, so it gives you more than 6 feet. It has an adjustable 360-degree angle mount. This is including with the mount, which you can position the ring. This doesn't collect by Type-C. This actually connects via these little brackets right here. So you have the positive and negative. Later on in the video, I will show you how to do that. And then you have the little mount bracket right here on the bottom. So let me go ahead and pull out my Ring Doorbell, and then I'll just connect it to the back of it, and I'll show you how they connect. It's super easy. So right here is the actual solar panel that I have. I'm going to put my Ring Doorbell on top of this one. So this one only works during the day. So I needed something to work overnight. So you can see the red and black wire, which is your positive and negative. I'm actually going to connect it to the bottom part because my other one connects during the day up on the top. So then I have the wire going up and all the way over, so it does get some sun during the day, because the other one I have a tree right in front of it and it doesn't get really much sun right there, so I needed something extra so at nighttime I don't have to worry about it not being charged if it's being drained all day. This one right here will catch the sun. You can see that the sun is blaring right on it, and I have it coming up from the back of the doorbell. On this previous solar panel, if you're looking for a solar panel backup charger, I would highly recommend checking this one out. So I do have a current one, and you can see on the side and the top, but it doesn't have a battery at nighttime. So this one does run at night. I would highly recommend checking this one out.